How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top, click on the plus sign. After you click on the plus sign at the top, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, at the top right, click on the gear icon. Then you will find Story option. Click on Story, which is the first option. In here, you will find Hide Story From option. Simply click on People below Hide Story From. Then you'll find all your followings. Simply click on every one of them and press on Done at the top right. After you're done, go back and then add Story. Select the picture and then press on the arrow at the bottom right, which will lead you to this page. Click on Share at the bottom. After you've clicked on Share, you'll find Add to Highlights option. Click on Add to Highlights. Then select the highlights you want to add it to. After you're done, press on Done. And then you're good to go. After that, your story will be added. Now, to get back to normal, which is your settings, click on the same plus icon at the top in your profile. Then click on the gear icon at the top right. Then click on Story, which is the first option, and click on Hide Story From. After you click on it, uncheck everyone and press on Done. After you do that, people will be able to see your highlights, but not your story. This is how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.